Yo, my fabulous earth science minions. This has got to be like video 7, I think. We're going to be on station models. This part right here. See it say station models. See. Page 13 of your reference tables. And oh, wait, I gave them to Maeve. Oh, wait, here's one. All right, good. Let me find page 13. Oh, page 13. Yep, check it. These are the station models. This thing. So there is a lot of cool information here for you in a station model. I'm going to give you notes you're going to fill out around your station model, but you almost don't have to memorize any because look, it's all labeled there for you. How nice is that? So you're going to label your station model using these words coming up. So here's your circle. The temperature goes in the upper left-hand corner. The present weather or invisibility goes underneath that. And I will talk about that in a minute. Dew point, barometric pressure, top right, barometric trend, precipitation in inches. This is the estimate percent of cloud cover, and that we're going to see that that's how this is shaded in. And those notes are going to be pretty important for you. Yeah, so it doesn't quite give you all of that information in this part, except for on your reference table, it says approximately 75% covered, and it's 75% of the holes, or the circles filled in. Okay? And then wind direction. So this thing needs to be pointing in the, this is a from the southwest direction. So if it's from the southeast, that bar needs to slide over. If it's from the northeast, that bar needs to slide over. It's going to show you where the wind is coming from. Okay. And then these are what they call the feathers. And this is going to tell me now the wind speed. Okay. The feathers are the wind speed. And it gives you a little bit of a, I'm going to show you and I'm going to detail it for you as we break into this a little bit more, but the rest of it is the pieces on this page 13. I mean, the fronts are here, the air masses are here. This is the present weather. So the part here where it says present weather, visibility and present weather on the 9 o'clock section. And on your reference table, it just says visibility. Doesn't say and present weather, so you need to know that that's visibility and present weather. These are the symbols that would go there to show me what's happening. Hurricane, tornado, snow shower, haze, fog, hail, drizzle, all of these things. This is a symbol that would be there. And in our case, on the reference table, it says, oh, it does say present weather, snow, and then visibility is a half. So a half a mile visibility. So those two things are there. This goes over in the side part of your notes. This is also in your reference table, so you don't have to memorize it. I see whole feathers 10 knots, half a feathers 5 knots, total 15 knots. Bang, bang, that's what we have in our model, and that's what's there for you in the reference table. And then it says also that 1 knot is 1.15 miles per hour, so you might have to do some conversions. Sorry about your luck. All right, this is the circles underneath. Notice the 2 whole circles are missing in your notes. You're going to need to draw those after we fill in this space, so make sure you leave room. This guy with the square, put the square or the rectangle in the middle. This means 10% cloud cover. Notice on the far end, it's got everything filled in but the square. So we'll go to that next because it's very similar. That's not 10%, hence 90%. Okay. From there, these are pretty basic. Half is 50%, so that makes good sense. The other two that are easy is 25%, which is a quarter, or 75%, which is what the weather model is in your reference tables. And then notice this is where things get a little tricky. I have the quarter filled in, but I have the half mark made. That's going to stand for 40%. Not my rules. I didn't make them up. And then filled in with the other line here is 60%. Okay, so you need to be able to use these things and be able to read these. Now, I need you to draw these other circles on the bottom of your notes somewhere or over on the side. I don't really care. But a circle with nothing filled in is 0% cloud cover. A circle with everything filled in is then 100% cloud cover. So this is cloudy skies versus clear skies. Okay, good. I certainly hope so. All right, now there's some weird steps about calculating barometric pressure. So let's see if that's next. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do calculating barometric pressure as the next video. How does that sound? So let's call this a video and I'll make a new one for the next page. Peace. Or I mean,